everyone. Tonight for supper, you have heard of hamburger steaks. I'm going to upgrade that. I'll be making Yak Burger Steaks. What all goes into the Yak Burger Steak? Well, I had to find one that was very plain with not very many seasonings because we want to be able to taste what yak tastes like. I have never tried yak. We've got 2 pounds of yak, and you can use as much as you want depending on how big you make your patties and how many people you are feeding. I don't know how many or how big I'm going to make them, we'll see, but I do want enough that Dave can take some for lunch tomorrow. And we need 1 cup beef broth or water. I'm going to be using water again so we get the flavor of the yak. Need all-purpose flour and a sweet onion sliced. Oh, and then you'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll probably be using 2 skillets just because I don't think, or the way I have to fix this, that I'll have room to fit all of them in 1 skillet. So we'll see on that as well. So let's begin. If this was fresh meat, I wouldn't add any panko, but being as it's thawed out, I want it to be able to stay together. So I'm going to add a little bit of panko to help make my patties. And I don't know, I've never had yak, I don't know if they're lean or greasy or not. So that will be interesting when I cook them. And a lot of hamburger steaks are cooked in gravy. They have mushrooms and they are more like a Salisbury steak. This is just going to be pretty much like bigger hamburgers fried with onions and floured. Let me get you a measurement here because I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of panko because this is 2 pounds, and see how well that is. I may add more. If I do, I'll let you know. I've got my clean hands with no jewelry on, and I'm going to mix this up with my hands. If they start to form where I can form a patty and it doesn't fall apart, I know I've got enough panko. This is plain panko. It won't make a difference in the taste. You won't be able to taste it. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more. It's close, but not quite. So I will add about 1/4, and then that'll make it 3/4 of a cup. And I don't think I'm going to do anything more than that. I'm not exactly sure. I've had hamburger steaks before, but I'm not sure. And I know they're bigger than hamburgers, patties, but I'm not sure how big they are supposed to be. So maybe I got way too much meat. We'll cook them all, no matter how many it makes, because you don't want to waste yak. All right, so it says to make like a donut shape. We don't want them too thick, but we don't want them too thin. I want them more oval just because it reminds me of what a hamburger steak should look like. And then they said make a hole in there, and that will help it cook evenly, and as it cooks, as it shrinks, the hole will shut up. So they say. All right, I'm going to set aside the rest of the meat so I can show you what's going to be next. Take a large skillet, put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to do 1. I'll save the other one for the other skillet. I would heat that over medium heat. While that's heating up, I'm going to move you over here. There's my flour. And that doesn't give any quantities of anything. So then you take your patty, and it's a big one, and it's kind of thick. I have a feeling they will fall apart, but if they do, as long as they cook, I guess that's what we'll not worry about, right? We're waiting for the frying pan to get hot, and while they're cooking, we'll make more. I don't think that one's going to stay together. I'm only going to do 2 at a time just because they're big. We'll brown those on each side for a few minutes and then we will continue on. I just did my first flip, and when it browns on the other side, we'll be back. After they have browned on both sides, take your onions, and I'm going to do half in this one and half in my other frying pan. And cook them for a few minutes until lightly brown. After your onions are starting to get lightly brown, add a cup of water or beef broth and cover it and allow it to cook until meat is no longer pink in center, about 10 minutes. Here is the Yak Burger Steak. We have sweet onions, and running out the meal is church pigeon salad. Let's see what Dave thinks. Yes.
Well, it looks different. Oh, I don't need a knife.
That's good to know. You looked perplexed.
Well, the texture is a little different on this.
Well, it does have panko, so it holds together.
Oh, okay.
And that might be the texture part.
Might be.
But you have heard of hamburger steaks, correct?
Right.
This is Yak Burger Steaks.
Oh, yakety yak, don't talk back.
Yeah, exactly.
I like it. It's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.